Imagine guys, every day you wake up and if you are finding the job and if you are searching for the new job and you just scroll 1 and 2 hours on the LinkedIn and Naukri profile and you just waste that one. You just find that based on your position, for example you are data engineer, if you are data analyst, if you are Java developer, for your resume profile you just find the job in your Naukri, in your LinkedIn. But if you get the job in just 5 minutes by using cloud and you just have to apply the jobs, how this automation look like? So आपको स्क्रॉल करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आपको लिंक्डइन पे भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना आपको नौकरी पे जाने की जरूरत है. You will get the direct links of last 25 hours whatever the job posted for your resume. That job will be matched 100% matched to jobs that for your position. For example, if you are data analyst, for the data analyst last 24 hours whatever the job posting came, and based on your skill set, based on your technical skill set, the cloud will give you the job opportunity and you just have to directly apply. You don't need to even go on the Naukri, you don't need to find any job, you will get the direct link. You have to just go on direct link and you will directly go and you will just apply. How it looks like? So this automation guys, this is this is a, I will say this is a AI, how you can make this AI job agent and it will work for you. So every day you just have to spend 5 minutes, not 2 hours. So I will explain you how you can do this very perfectly and very smoothly. This is very easy. Okay, don't think like this is a technical. This is a no at all technical. If you know how to write the prompt, if you know how to connect with the cloud and how to work with the cloud, this is very easy. So let's go ahead and let's start. Let me explain you how the architecture look like. I am sharing my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, so give me just a second. Here I am showing my screen to you. This is my PNG. So if you see this image, I hope you are able to see this proper image. So guys, this is architecture we are going to use. We will use a Claude. Then we will use the Claude is, you do know that Claude is one of the it is one of the AI model that we are going to use to search job for you for the last 24 hours. And Claude will using the API. So API, what you will say that Manoj, what is API? API is nothing but this is the extension that you are going to use. And what extension will do? This API actually has the access to scrap the data from LinkedIn and Naukri profile. Actually Claude itself, it cannot scrap the data from the LinkedIn and Naukri. Okay, so here you are going to use the API to scrap the data from the LinkedIn and Naukri, and this API will scrap the data from LinkedIn and Naukri, and it is giving you the last 24 hours job for your resume. So whatever the AI, this is, you can think like AI is a brain, so Claude is your brain, but it is just for the MCP, it is using just a API. So API will actually using their own scrapper, their own actors, which will go on your LinkedIn and which will go on the Naukri profile, and based on your resume skill set, it will be just a finding, it will be scrapping all the data, and Claude will do all the work. It will just finding the matching job, and it will create one Excel sheet, and that Excel sheet you will get. And from that Excel sheet you will get the direct link for the applying for that one. Maybe for any job you can do this one, not only the IT job, for any job, like any business job, for the manager position, for the any job you are looking for, the sales position and all the position. But this is I am in IT, so I will give you the specifically for the IT jobs and all. I will be giving 1 or 2 example for this one. This is just a 5-minute job guys. Okay, this is just a 5 minutes work. I am saying you this is just a 5 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. I will tell you that there are 2 to 3 steps guys that you wanted to follow, and you have to do that. Guys, in the first step, what we are going to do, we will go and we will download the Claude on our laptop. Either you are using the Mac laptop, either you are using the Windows laptop. What you have to do, you cannot use the you cannot use the normal on Chrome, you cannot use the Claude. That will not help you to connect with your API and all. Here there is a one first task that you need to download the Claude. So you need to download the Claude in your Windows and Mac laptop, and after downloading the Claude you will able to connect with API. That I will show you. So how you are going to download the app, how you are going to download the Claude, let me show you. So here you go, just to go on your Chrome browser guys, just to go on your Chrome browser. Here is my Chrome browser I opening. So here I have, okay, here I have the Claude. Okay, so this is a this is a there is a resources I will give in the description, you will find that. Okay, so first thing, here you have the resources, that is a claude.com download. So here you can directly go, you can click here claude.com download. Just click on this one guys, go to the site. So here this will page. So for this is a Mac laptop, so it is showing you download Claude for the Mac OS. Okay, because this is a Mac laptop. But if you are a Windows laptop, you will click whenever you will click on the link, you will get option that download for your Windows. So just a right click, or just a click on this one, guys. Just a click on this one. Your Claude is here. It will show the location and it will start to download. See, like this. So it will be around 300 to 400 MB and it will starting the download. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I will not download it. I am not downloading. So just to download this one and install in your laptop. So after installing, how it looks like, I will show you. So just to go in your application, just to install that one, and in installation it will look like this one. So this Claude will look like this one, guys. So here your Claude will look like this one. Here you have to go and you have to log in with your email account, whatever email account you are going to use. Okay, for example, here I have the one email account. Okay, here is a @gmail account is there. So what you have to do here, go here and just what I am saying, just to go here and just log in with your account. So this is you are getting the ready. So second step. So here in the second step, when you are coming, okay, here you have to download the extension. Here, go here, connectors will be there, guys. So here connectors will be there. You will add this, like here you will be adding, here you will be finding the connectors. Just to go to the connector and add connector. Just to say browse connector and add connector. So browse connector, go here and just search here Appify. So here you will be searching the Appify. Okay, so just to click on here and enable this Appify. Just what is Appify, guys? This is one of the extension which has the access of your Naukri and LinkedIn, which is it can say which is extracted data from any website with the thousands of scraper, crawlers and automation on the Appify store. So it will actually, Appify will actually help you to extract the data by using the scrappers and all. Okay, so Claude will all the get the data. And Claude is a brain, but Appify will go in behalf of a Claude, and it will go on the LinkedIn, it will go on the Naukri, and it will bringing you job and all. Then whatever the job match and all, that will be done by the Claude only, and it will be putting into the Excel sheet, and that will you will get. Okay, so here you have the Appify. You are extracting data from any websites. Okay, just to make sure you are enabling this one. So cancel this one after, and after this one, guys, if you enable this one, you will find your connector, and here you will find the Appify is enabled. So this Appify should be enabled. It should come here like this. Okay, connector Appify should be enabled. So this is the second step. So when you will connect to here Appify enable, so what you have to do, guys, to enable Appify, guys, here it will ask you something. Okay, suppose I am disabling, here you wanted to enable this one, it will be asking some authentication. So what is authentication you can do? So for this authentication, what you will do, I will show you. So for this authentication, guys, you have this thing. You have to go to Appify free account. You need to create, for enabling that Appify and all, you need to put the token actually into that one. So here you will go on appify.com. Okay, just to go on this site appify.com. Okay, so if you will go on the appify.com, here is your Appify. So here you need to log in with this one. So when you will log in with your email ID, what is dashboard. Okay, so when you will get this dashboard, guys, what you have to do here, go scroll down here, guys, on the left hand side. Here you will find in Appify, here you will find the settings. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, here is your profile and all, and in the API integration, if you click on this API integration, you will be finding this token. Just to copy this token, okay, just to use this default API token and use this Claude, use this in a Claude, wherever the Claude was, here was a Claude, right? So when you will be enabling this Claude, okay, when you will be enabling this Claude, you have to put that token to enable that Claude. Okay, so whenever you are saying that, whenever you are enabling this Claude, okay, guys, whenever you will be adding this Claude, Appify and all, that time it will be asking the token. So you will be putting this token. Okay, this is a token is nothing but this is like your authentication token. Until and unless this token, if you put for the Appify, you will not able to log in with Appify. You will not able to enable that Appify. Okay, so after putting the token, guys, what will actually happen? You will get this enabling Appify like this one. Okay, so first step you got to know that download the Claude. Second step is after downloading, here just to go to your connectors, search here add connector Appify, and just enabling that Appify by going here. I will be giving you appify.com link. Here you will go on the Appify account. You will just log in with your email ID. Just to go to the setting. In a setting, you will have the API integration. API integration, you will get this token, and you will be putting that token into your Claude connector like this one. So Claude connector, when you will put your this connector is ready. So now you got the two step. First of all, downloading the Claude, and second step is connected with Apify. So next step is, guys, here you are giving your resume. So add your resume. For example, I do have one my friend resume, that is Amol. Okay, he is a data analyst. Now he is finding the job. So for Amol resume, I am now using here. Okay, Amol resume I have provided, and I am giving you simple prompt here, guys. I am for this one. I am giving to this one. This is a simple prompt. So see the just prompt, guys. What I am giving you. I am giving here. Just to go here. Here I have to do prompt. I will be giving you this one. I will be in the description. I will be using this. So what is this prompt, guys? Is my resume is attached. So just I will read this properly, so you will understand this one. Here I am saying that. Okay, see, understand the prompt, guys. My resume is attached. Using Apify, find me the 20 job posted in the last 24 hours for your role in your city using only LinkedIn and Naukri. So this may be this he has put the city, that is Naukri only, that is Pune only. Okay, so if your city is different, your role is different, you can put here role and city as well. But if you want to get from the resume itself, you don't need to put. Using only LinkedIn and Naukri. For each job, provide the job title, company, location, posted date, match score out of 100, reason for the match score, and direct application link. Okay, so this is also, it will give the matching score, guys. So this matching score is nothing but it will see the technical skill set. It will say how your price is matching, your experience is matching, your location is matching, the date of posted it is matching or not. So it will be checking the matching in your resume skill set and all. It will be checking your experience, how much experience is there, and with that it is matching with your JD and all. So Claude will do everything. You don't need to go anywhere, and rank the job by match score and create a Excel file with the result. So this is a resume, and this is a prompt you are giving, and it will just start running, and it will give you it will just go through your resume. It will just read whatever your resume is, just skill set, whatever your profile, how much your experience it has, and it will go in the actual city, for example Bangalore or Pune. Okay, I'm just selecting now Pune here. Okay, and in Pune city, whatever the jobs will be there on the Naukri and LinkedIn, it will just find the job, it will bringing the job in the last 20 hours which were posted, and it will give you in Excel sheet that I will show you here. So it is just to see the Apify has one actors is one concept. Okay, so actors are, you can say, the scrappers as well. So Apify using the actors. Okay, this is like MCP servers and all. Those actors will actually going on the your Naukri and LinkedIn, and they are finding the job actually. Okay, and the top of behind that, Claude is working on the top of behind that one. So this like this the work it is doing, no, it will be doing very nice work. Like just wait for this 1 or 2 minutes, see how it is working and all. Okay, so this is just now everybody is searching job posting for your Apify is just searching the job on your Naukri and LinkedIn, and it will be bringing the data. So guys, बहुत सिंपल है ये. मैं हिंदी में एक बार बताता हूँ कि आप यहाँ पे क्लॉड यूज कर रहे हैं और एपिफाई कनेक्टर यूज कर रहे हैं. सो क्लॉड को हमने एक प्रॉम्प्ट दिया है कि भाई तुम क्या करो कि जाओ और मेरे लिए मेरा रिज्यूमे के स्किल सेट देखो, उसमें मैच देखो कि एक्सपीरियंस का मैच देखो, स्किल सेट का मैच देखो, और तुम नौकरी या लिंक्डइन पे उस टाइप के जेडी के, उस जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के, उस एक्सपीरियंस के जॉब ढूंढो और मुझे लाके दो, और मोस्ट रिसेंट 20 जॉब दे दो या 40 जॉब दे दो. उससे मैं मैच स्कोर करूंगा कि मेरा रिज्यूमे से और स्किल सेट का कितना मैच होता है. जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैचेस है वो मैं तुमको जॉब दे दूंगा एक्सेल शीट में, और वहां पे मैं तुमको डायरेक्टली वो कौन सी कंपनी में जॉब है, उसका मतलब उसका एक्सपीरियंस कितना चाहिए, उसके लिए डायरेक्ट लिंक भी दे दूंगा. वहां पे जाके डायरेक्टली तुम अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओके, सो इट विल डू एवरीथिंग. Okay, so good link. It just found some LinkedIn job on the 24 jobs it got. Okay, it is just pondering, it is just running. See how it is working now, guys. Okay, I hope and there is a one actually issue got. Whenever your free account is, there is a chances that your limit is got finished and you have the limits and all. So try to use another Gmail account if you have, or just wait for the 24 hours, and after 24 hours you can try this one. Okay, and if you have budget, then you can go obviously for the premium. So it will have the token and all. Okay, so you don't need to wait and all that one. So see, it is working now. It is requesting and all. So this is working all in. It is scrapping the data. It is finding the jobs and all. Okay. So these are actors are bringing actually data in JSON from the Naukri and LinkedIn. Okay. So it is working behind. See, Claude is actually brain it is using, and actors are bringing the data from your Naukri and LinkedIn. See, 50 Naukri jobs found. Now let's pull the actual data from both the data sets. Now it got the LinkedIn job as well, it got the Naukri jobs as well. So now it is pulling the job data. Now the real work is actually Claude work will be there. So you see, it is now recalculate and validate the Excel file. So Excel file it has created, guys. See, it has created Excel file. Okay, so it is saying I pull the data, I pull the job posted in 24 hours from the LinkedIn and the Naukri. Okay, for the data analyst, scored each against the Amol resume and ranked with the top 20 job attached. So just go here and just here download the file. Okay, I just download this file. I am just showing you the file. See now, guys. So it is just for the 24. See, 24 August means that this is now 25 because I have been I have been creating this video at the night. Okay, so last 24 August it has bringing on the all data analyst job, because this is profile is a data analyst. It is giving you all the companies. It is giving you the location is Pune because he is a sign in location is Pune, just to be said. And here you are getting the apply direct link. Okay, here you are getting the direct apply link on the Naukri. So if you click on this one, it directly going on the Naukri profile. Just it is saying sign in with your Google account and apply. Okay, so this will be happen. So for example, next job it has what it has given. For example, let's go for the LinkedIn. For example, LinkedIn it is giving you this job. See, support data analyst. This job would be there. See, L2 support analyst, Python knowledge is there. Just to go ahead, easy apply. You can even just have to apply. So you will get all this job that put in the last 24 hours and it has very high score. Now, how many job posted? I will just ask 20 and it has given the 20 recent job posting that you got. Okay. So here it is a posted date. Here is your location. Here is a region for a match. So it will be giving the what actually skill set is needed for that actually, what is the reason actually it is given for why your resume is matches with that job description. It has given reason for match. And this is your application link. So just to go ahead on the Naukri, okay, and just to apply for that one. Data analyst job. See, 1 and 4 years. So this is just you have to go with continue, just to log in with your, for example, log in with this your account, whichever account is there, and just apply here. Just apply here. So you don't need to search here anything. Okay, you don't need to search here. Okay. For example, here I am saying 3 years experience. How much experience? 1 year's experience. That I whatever. Please upload your resume, whatever it has. Okay. So just to give you file extensions not valid, please select with the file extension PDF document. Okay, I will do it later. So you can do this one. Okay, awesome. So this is working very nice, guys. Okay, you don't need to go on Naukri and you don't need to find everyday jobs and all. You just have to use the Apify just to find the recent job posting that is a matching with. So give me just a second, I will be explaining. So you don't need to find the jobs, guys. Just to use the Claude and just to use the Apify to finding the recent 24-hour jobs, and that jobs you just have to apply. So that is the best applying you are doing, guys. This is the AI world. Now this is not just a manual work you are doing. This you are using the AI agents, you are using the AI and you are finding the job on Naukri and LinkedIn. Maybe you are not able to find by yourself, but that all the work Claude will do for you. Just you have to understand how it works and you have to start using it. So this will be the best video, guys, I hope, and thank you so much for watching video, guys. If you like, don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I can promise you that you will get more valuable content than this one in the future videos. Thank you so much for being here, guys. See you in the next video.